for stopping by our little Brookpark oasis. You can either use this home as your next investment property, or you can move right in. I love the butcher block countertops and a great farmhouse sink. This is so charming. Let's go check it out. So it's so great. You've got luxury vinyl throughout the main areas on the first floor. That's so much easier to maintain. And let me show you where the bathroom is. This room is great. It's right next to your bathroom, and there's also a second bedroom that's right in the same wing as well. So you can literally shut this space off and have your own private oasis in your backyard. Let's go check that out. So this is that space that I was talking about that you can shut off if you happen to have guests over, and this could be your own private space back here. And who doesn't love a great walk-in closet? And to complete this little hidden Brookpark treasure is this space. I love this space. This is right off of that master bedroom I just showed you. You can either use this space as your very own home office and get some tax deductions, or you can use this as a game room or a second living room. You could have multiple uses for this. What I love about the backyard space, that's what reminds me of a perfect either oasis or investment property. You can have a little bonfire out back, and the oversized garage is amazing, as well as your own 3-season room. I know it's a little snowy, but can you imagine it in the nice weather? So one thing that the sellers told me is the neighborhood over here is amazing. Everyone just kind of looks out for each other. So if you want to be known as one of the cutest houses on the block, reach out to me today. And did I mention the HVAC and hot water tank are only 2 years old? So just move right in and set your furniture.